of the incident. I was the first. I've seen everything. Your brother killed me, so I killed your brother. I was just an innocent little tank engine until your brother, got that grenade and threw it right the carriage. My favorite fucking carriage. And then you ran. You brother ran off the tracks. I slid into the fucking water like it was a fucking fish. Going to fish you, cunt.
Viewing of this tape is prohibited. Discard it immediately. Viewing of this tape is prohibited. Discard it immediately. Viewing of this tape